Simple component or functional component not require render. In this video we will see that. In this video we will talk about simple component or functional component, and we will see whether it is required render or not. So to talk about functional component, I am deleting this class because we don't need this class, because we are making our functional component. Okay, so to make any functional component, type const constant and table header is the name which you will define another name also. I am defining here table header because I am making header file. Then simply just is equal to, then parenthesis, then is equal to array, then curly bracket. Okay, you don't need to write here render, only you need to just write here return. That is the benefit of this functional component or simple component, that you don't need to write render, just simply write return and your code. So I'm writing here header code, table header code. So here we have defined the header of table. You could choose any other name according to your requirement. Next I am defining here another function of table body. So just defining here, first write constant and name according to your choice. I am defining here table body, table body, then just is equal to, then parenthesis, and then is equal to an arrow with curly braces. Okay, just you have defined here a function. Now just put return, you don't need to put render, and enter. Define the table body here. Okay, we have defined here table body. Now one way is to export this function separately, and one way is to make a class here and include these two functions in that class and export that class. So we have made class table here. So I am just copying here table class which we have deleted first. So here we have a table class. We want table body and table header here. So I am defining here a tag called table. So I want to include that table header in this table tag. So that's why I am defining like this, table. Then here I want table header and table footer, which is the function which we have defined earlier here. Here we have defined two functions, table header and table body, and we are including that function in our class so that we don't need to export that function separately using export. Okay, now first I want that table header. So table header, then I want table body here. Okay, now everything is fine. We have table header, table body, and we have class table, and we are exporting this class here, and we are including that exported class in app.js, and we are just returning table here, which the class which we have exported, and we are including this application in here, and we are rendering this in the root of this index.html here. Okay, so let's start running server. npm start. Okay, now our server is running, but it is saying component is not defined. Component is defined but never used. So why it is saying so? In our index.js file we have defined component but we have not used that. So just save it here. Okay, now server is running perfectly. So copy this and paste it. So here in Chrome, paste it. So here's the result. Hope you understand simple component or functional component in React. Thank you.